In today's video, we're going to be looking at a very useful shortcut that could save you a lot of time trying to find something that you've already closed. This works on Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, however I've not tested it on any other browser. But let's say in this situation, we've lost a website and we've accidentally closed it. And we want to get it back in a hurry. We don't want to check our history. Well, what we can do is quickly press the Control key, the Shift key, and the T key, and it will bring up our last open page. So as you can see, I'm back on the Xbox page. This will even work if we completely close Edge, and if we open one of our windows we already have open and press Control Shift T, it's going to open it in a new window as well. I hope this has helped. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.